Greetings and salutations and other things like that. I am the Broadcast Ninja, and I'm here today to bring you another one of my quick tutorials. Today, we're looking at Photoshop. Now, what's the problem, Marty? Well, I have a great picture of a lovely model in a beautiful setback. It's just what I need for my brochure, except she's not smiling. Marty, if only she was smiling. What happened to the photographer? Why did he say, "and smile"? He didn't. The subject isn't smiling, and on our brochure we'd like it to look a little bit more happy. So first of all, let's check out our subject. We're in Facebook now. You can see this is an image from Shutterstock. Great place for stock images. I use them quite a lot. I'm forever buying images for brochures and magazines that I help with designing, and it's a great resource for pictures. So anyway, shutterstock.com, I believe. Now here's our model. Okay, now I'm using this picture just for demonstration purposes, hence it still has the watermarks on it. So I look at her. She's a lovely looking lady. She's set right. The light is right, and it's just the right look for my magazine. The only problem, she isn't smiling. So to make her smile, what we need to do is alter the photograph. Okay, now there's different ways you can achieve the same job. There's different ways you can make her smile. I'm not saying that this way I'm going to show you is the only way. If there is another way that you know that is easier, leave it in the comments. I would love to know. Or if you have your own YouTube tutorial channel and you've covered this, then please leave a link down below. I'd love to go and see it. And if you're just walking past because you've got your own YouTube channel, it might be for horses, cats, whatever it is, and you'd like an extra follower, send me the link. I'll go and subscribe to you. So our little model, she's here. What are we going to call her? We'll call her Mavis. Mavis is here, and Mavis needs to be a little bit more happier. So the way I would do it, the easiest way I found to do it is to come over to filter and come down to where it says liquify. Okay, now when you, depending on the speed of your computer, it will open another window, just like this. See that? There it is. And you'll see that that picture is the same picture as that picture. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do what I would like to call a rule of thumb. And what I mean by that is before you start messing around with any image, duplicate the image. So I will go up here and say layer, and I'd say duplicate layer and say okay. And if you look down here, I've got two of the same image. Oh, you can't see it because my name is blocking it. My little icon down there is blocking it. But down here by the layers, I've got two the same image. If I move the mouse, you can just see them both here. So the reason why I do that is because then I could play around with this image, and if I need to go right back to how it was, I could do that at the click of a button. So I'm just playing with this second one, which is up here. Okay, if you look just by my Broadcast Ninja logo, you'll see my little mouse swaying back to back. Right, there it is. That's the one we're working for. So what I do is I go to filter, I come down, and I go to liquify. And now that's selected that that layer right there. And now if we look, we can see as I move my mouse around her face, little things appear. Okay, Photoshop's very clever. Photoshop looks at the image as a whole, and it sort of understands the original structure of the face. And so things that you change, it will make sure everything changes as it should do. So you ain't got one really big ear or one eye is drooping down where it's impossible to do for. The intelligent thinking behind Photoshop, as always, and that's why they are the #1. They are the industry standard of photo manipulation in a good way. Right, so back over here, we come here. All I want to do is make her smile. I'm in a rush. There's loads of things I've got to do, but I just want to make her smile. So I come to her lips here. I can see there's little emblems there, right? And if you see, I drag one up, and lo and behold, I don't have to press anything else. I just say, okay, and there she is. And we'll see. That's her now. That's her before. Now, before. Now, before. So recap. How did I do it? I went to filter, and then I went down to liquefy, and then when liquefy came up, I went to the mouth and just dragged a little bit upwards, and it changed the normal face like this to a happy face like that. There we go. That's how you make somebody smile in a photograph. I do hope that's been help for you. Help to you. If it has been, please don't forget to click like. It always happens and works if you click like. That's the best way. And if you haven't subscribed, think of subscribing. I am Marty D. Donovan. This is the Broadcast Ninjas channel for reasons I still don't know. And I wish you a very, very, very good day. Bye for now.